Hey friends, welcome back to week 5 of the One Room Challenge. I'm Linda from The Home I Create, and let's get started. This is going to be a very short update. The big thing that we have in the room now is the dresser, but it's still missing hardware, but it is exactly as beautiful as I thought it would be. So I am very excited about that. Now the reason I'm putting a mirror over the desk and let's say not over the dresser is because I'm imagining the kids will probably be in here. They will probably do homework and other things like that. I want to be able to see behind me, you know, kind of look up from my work and see what's going on behind me. So that's why I have that there. And the second reason is when I do have guests in town, I could easily just move my Mac back to where it is on my little dressing table in my bedroom, and then this will look like a dressing table because I told you I'm really trying to get it to not look much like an office and to not look much like a bedroom. So I thought that was a really good compromise with that. So I need to know whether you like this mirror or this white round one, and of course it would be hanging up, you guys. The reason why I'm thinking I might not want to do the one I just showed you, the gold like window pane one, is because it's a lot of gold over here. You know, I have the gold detailing on my campaign desk. I have gold in the faux bamboo shelf. I mean, thinking would that be too much gold? All right. The other thing this week that was just a pain in my bleep bleep is these curtains, you guys. Oh my god, this is, by the way, these are not the same Ritva curtains that were up last week. If you saw my week 4 update, I'll leave a link below for you. Notice I only have 4 panels when I needed 6, since I have, you know, three windows in here. Well, the new panels that I bought, I, you know, of course washed them, so they shrunk a little bit, just like the existing 4 panels I already had. Well, they shrunk a lot. So I thought, you know what, let me just wash the old ones again, dry them a little bit. Maybe they'll shrink a little bit more to match the new ones I had just washed. Well, they did shrink, but a whole lot more. Child, this thing was 3 and 4 inches off the ground. I had basically like high water curtains and even higher water curtains. It was a mess. Went to IKEA and got my very favorite white curtains. If you followed me for any length of time or ever been on my blog, you've absolutely seen these curtains. As a matter of fact, they're the ones I have in my family room downstairs. I have them in our living room and our bedroom and our dining room in our old house in Tennessee at some point. I love these curtains. They used to be $10, but we see you, IKEA. They're $12 now, but $12 for 2 panels, you guys, 98 inches in length. It's so worth it. See how it kind of like billows on the floor? If you look at any of my older pictures as well from my blog, that's how I like it. I've always kept them that way, but they're super easy to hem as well with hemming, you know, with like fabric hemming tape that you can get from Joann's, Michael's, any, you know, any store. So matter of fact, I got some. Let me show you guys, because I already had organized my drawers, y'all. So just this right here, you guys, super easy to hem with these. All you need is you know, an iron and some scissors and these, and you can get to town, you know, with hemming those. So anyway, but I've got the curtains under control now, thank goodness. I got the lumbar pillow and I got my bolster pillows, so I'm super happy. And you can see like those 2 pillows back there, they're the really big pillows that I got from IKEA. They're these pillows, you guys, 26 by 26, and I'm just using very simple white pillow covers, and this was just me trying to check out the sizing. So I'm going to use 4 of them across the back, you know, with the lumbar pillow, the leopard print just where it is, and the bolster pillows on either side. And of course there's no sheets on the mattress right now, but I'm going to have just white crisp sheets to match the pillows. You know, everything will be ironed and neat. I looked at a lot of styling options for day beds. This is what I came up with because it's very neat and minimal. Most of what I've seen have, you know, just a ton of pillows on them. And I get it. It's so you can kind of sit, you know, and lean back almost like a couch. But if we're sitting on here, we're probably gonna kind of, you know, slide back anyway, tuck our feet under ourselves or lean against the bolster. So I'm not really worried about that. So I like the idea of just using a few big pillows versus a bunch of little pillows on here. I still got to get the piece hung over the bed. I'm gonna use that same vintage flower piece that I had over this bed when it was in Kayla's room. And I think that's going to work perfect in here. If you want to see it, I'll leave a link to Kayla's old bedroom reveal. Oh, and I cleaned the table. It came out like brand new, you guys. Seriously. So I'm actually going to do a little video for you guys on my little trick for cleaning that. It'll be one of my little quick tip videos that I'm hoping to start soon. Yes. You want to come in and say hi?
Hi.
I have Miss Kayla here.
I haven't seen the room yet.
This
looks amazing.
It is looking amazing, isn't it?
And also, I like the mirror.
That's the thing. I'm trying to ask the all the peoples out there, do they like this mirror better or this one that's behind you?
Oh, sorry. I like this one.
You like the white one better? So, guys, we're done with this video. Thank you for checking in for week 5. Next, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell because you're not going to want to miss the reveal next week. I'm going to be working like crazy to get it done. All right, friends. Bye-bye.